You know the vibes.
You hating on your drip, bro.
You know the vibes.
You hating on your drip.
That's a whole shower.
They cut our guy. No, what happened was his uncle left.
D'Angelo's a dynamic pick and roll player and great passer. We have a tendency to get easier shots when he's on the floor, and I think for Jordan in particular, it'd be helpful to hopefully get a couple of good looks early in the game and make it a more efficient night for him. I mean, I thought last game he had a lot of shots that were difficult attempts, so we've got to get better shots for each other, not just for Jordan's sake, for everybody's sake. We've got to play for each other tonight, and that usually leads to better shots. We want to put the best possible product on the floor for our fans, and people come from all over to watch Steph Curry play basketball, and he's going to be bored. He's probably already bored. He's dying to play. So, we were all sort of confused by who the source was, because really, I would be a good source. So I'm just telling you now, as your source, nothing's changed. So Bob and Rick will tell you the same thing.
For the guys that started right away, and have a long time to go and don't like it, that sucks, because if they want to go to the penalty, that hurts.
Yeah, but I don't think I'll go.
This is the best defender Pascal has played. Covington's excellent. It doesn't matter anyway. Steve Kerr. And then Russell's foul as he flips it in.
So they get a cross screen from Mari Spellman as soon as they throw the ball in the post.
Robinson had Pascal for a second. He missed him. And Russell three. How about Look out! Not a lot of space there for Alec Burks. They didn't need a lot of space. Pascal on a good defender in Covington. Ran him over and laid it in. Poole wing three. There it is.
That's good defense, though, going to that ball screen, especially if it's that far away.
Oh, D'Lo stapled the shot blocker to the floor for that rebound.
The motor.
Russell on the break. D'Lo three. Yes, sir.
Amari Spellman's motor is on 1,000.
Now, early rim run, Karl-Anthony Towns. Spellman with a block. Spellman blocked. Damian Lee is fine. This is D'Lo time. 5.5 to work with the good defender of Kogi. Screen by Chris. D'Angelo three to end the quarter. Got it! 9-2 Minnesota run. D'Lo floater, rim, tipped in Willie Cauley-Stein. First free throws here in the second half. Pascal backdoor. What a block by Covington!
That's why Covington's such a good defender.
And Willie Cauley-Stein, a block in response.
Turn the favor. On the other side, though, Covington was behind. He was beaten. And that's a beautiful pass from D'Angelo Russell, just trying to catch the defender off guard. Knew the defender couldn't see the ball.
They're trying to use physical players on Russell. Russell three. The answer's back.
Well, he's just saying, Karl-Anthony Towns, you're not close.
Russell, long rebound, gets the Warriors a second chance. Resets to 14. When it reset to 24 back in the old days, that was a killer. But right here, the 14 helps you. Russell. And a new career high for D'Angelo Russell. Got to get up, Cat. Russell, he's got 52.
Yeah, I was upset with a couple of calls. I'll have to see him on tape. Those are always tricky, but you know, I didn't see him extending his arm. But you know, we'll see what the tape looked like. We had felt like maybe 5 offensive fouls in the second half that made up, you know, a third of our turnovers in the second half, probably. Illegal screens, couple on Omari, I think another one on Marquise, and you know, a couple push-offs on Eric. So, you know, there's stuff that we've got to get better with execution-wise.
There's very good defenders in this league. I mean, it's not going to be really, especially on the wings. I mean, the wing defenders are very good. So it's not going to be like very easy, but it's still a competition. I respect all defenders, but still going to be aggressive and still going to try to do what I do. Still getting it. Like I said a couple days ago, it's still not easy. I feel like it's going to be much better preseason. So I'm getting there. Practice by practice, I'm going to get better.
I mean, I think we got a system in place to where it can be anybody's night. Anybody can, you know, make plays, you know, within the system. So I think it's Sky's the limit for this group. Oh no, that's love. That's love. It'll never not be cool